Bay, piling mudir muna tayo dito. Ha? Iinom muna tayo ng cappuccino dito. Anong gusto niyo? Matulog kayo dito? Joke lang mga ka-check bay. Dito tayo sa QLC office ngayon. Meron lang tayong hinahati dito ba? Alam naman ng si ka-check bay pag bumanat. Alam naman natin yan eh. Tiradang ka-check ba ito eh. Kasi hinihintay ko pa yung mag-receive eh. Habang naghihintay, uminom muna tayo ng kuwan. Umiinom muna tayo ng tawag dito, cappuccino. Cappuccino walang tigil. Ito yung ka-check bay. Matik yan eh. Napakasarap. Mga ka-check bay, recharge muna tayo. Iinom muna tayo ng cappuccino dito. Kailangan eh, nantok ako eh. Di ba? Unting laklak muna tayo doon ng cappuccino mga ka-check bay. Tiradang QLC ba? Di ba? Tiradang QLC tayo dito. Sarap ng cappuccino dito sa QLC. Inuuto ko na naman si Hasan eh. Matik na. Sigbay. Iinom muna tayo ng karakito ng katsula. Ano? Cappuccino. Parikoy oh. Pinaghanda ko ng cappuccino dito. Napakasarap. Qatar Luxury Office. Mr. Hasan. How are you, Mr. Hasan?
Good, good. How are you?
I'm super so good, my friend. How's your job here in office of Qatar Luxury?
It's very good. It's amazing.
Number one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Too much lucky here. You know?
Too much lucky. It's a big mudir.
Big mudir, kabir mudir, see? Cappuccino, cappuccina. Coming ladies, huh? Too much power. Cappuccino mo tayo magka-check bay. Achay. Buat achay.
Yeah.
Pun karena. See, Mr. Hasan too much drama this.
Too much drama. You will become a father.
See, you will become father. That's why Mr. Hasan giving cake. QLC cake.
You will see.
Happy Mother's Day. After he become a father, after that they have cake.
Cheesecake? I think it's cheese. Yeah, it's cheese.
No, not cheese. Ito not cheese, not cheese ito.
No, I don't.
Cheese is topping cheese.
Okay, guys.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mr. Norway.
Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Mothers. Future. Future.
Oh, happy Mother's Day, ha? Special day.
Tingnan ka,
Okay,
give Armen to all. This is for Armen.
Yeah.
No.
No, no,
No need too much. Only one cut, my friend.
No, not all. I will give
Hey,
you.
no need. Nakikain tayo ng cake dito mga ka-checkbay.
Halloween.
Si Hasan Thomas Maskara Hasan. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's
See, they have one little bit cake. No problem. See, Thomas big cake.
Too much big cake.
Yeah, my friends, ha?
You want to become a father.
Delicious cake.
Father of Emily daughter.
Maskara.